Namaste and welcome to Magic Vibrations Healing School. My name is Damian Hay and today I would like to introduce you Mazik. Mazik is a recent set of downloads that I received the last month, and it's about the magic of the maze. A maze is like a labyrinth. It's a destination, which is our center. It's an entrance gate where we start our journey, and it's a journey. It's a journey that goes weaving a path and that brings us from wherever we are back to our center. So this is a technology of consciousness. This is how I want to call it. It's not something that, I designed or created. It's something that I found, let's say, in the quantum field of possibilities, in the astral plane, and that I decoded and I somehow helped to materialize it in a way that we could today use it. What I mean is that Mazik is using different labyrinths or mazes, like as a blueprint, relating to different frequencies, virtues, or let's say fields of awareness. For example, you have an earth Mazik, which is all about connecting to the earth, grounding, subconscious work, shadow work, underworld work, and so on. The physicality of our existence. And you have a spirit Mazik, which is more about spirit guides, receiving guidance, and our higher chakras, and so on. So each Mazik template, like the earth and the spirit, is a self-conscious intelligence. It's a structure. It's a multidimensional blueprint. It's a world. It's a set of programs that are here to help us to find our center, to journey through the maze, to overcome obstacles, to receive downloads, to receive support, activations, so that we can find our true center. My center, your center, they are different. So it's not something, to uniformize us, to create uniformity. It's something to match your own uniqueness. So we use Mazik in different modes. So they are like mandalas with the maze labyrinth blueprint and the pathway that brings you from the gate to the center that we can use in different mode. You have a resolution mode, which is somehow to fix a solution. It's to get a direct insight. It's somehow to resolve an issue. You have the harmonization mode, which is more somehow to bring a global harmony at all levels of our being about one subject. And there is an upgrade mode. And the upgrade mode is to go to the next level of the spiral of evolution, of understanding, of connection, of growth. So Mazik is something new. It's something that I invite you to discover. It's extremely powerful. It's connected with different intelligences. It's connected with light language grids, with DNA codes. It's created with the rays. It's connected with gene keys, with virtues. It's connected with different intelligences from the astral plane that are really willing to help and to support. It's connected as well in the underworld with minerals, vegetables, animals, directions, and elements. So it's alive. It's something that I never thought it could come to manifestation before. So every time you use Mazik, you're bringing a map for your consciousness to find your center that you can use in different mode. So you have the earth Mazik, the spirit Mazik, the heart Mazik. You have a purification, peace Mazik. You have a manifestation Mazik, and you have a healing Mazik at this point, and more will come. So just with these 7 different templates, you can play. you can explore, you can know more about you, you can remap your consciousness, you can redefine what your center is compared to the situation, to the location where your consciousness is anchored in this moment. In this class, you see that we can play as well with grids, where we can create our own grids and project ourselves in there and have different templates activating and working on Earth. So you have grids for the chakras, grids with the elements and the directions, and more. So you have different ways to play with Mazik. You can meditate with it, you can do healing session with it, you can create grids, and probably you will find your own ways. It's all about learning how to journey in our consciousness in a coherent way, receiving a lot of support, to be able to reach the core of our being. And the core of our being, it's not only our heart, it's our essence, it's the neutrality point, it's the 0-point field point of quantum consciousness. This is the gate to who we truly are with all our connections. So Mazik, when we get lost and confused, when things are not resolved, when we need somehow to improve the quality of the mapping of our consciousness, Mazik is a tool to help you to do that. It's not fixing anything, it's showing you the way and helping you to journey with your mind, with your emotional body, with all the levels of your consciousness, journey through yourself to find yourself. So if you're interested to know more about this class, you can check my website, www.magicvibrationshealing.com, and there's a new website that will be only dedicated to Mazik called www.mazikmandala.com. Thank you, thank you, thank you.